Hi, my name is Angela. I'm the recruitment team lead at my Amazon guy, and my favorite part about working at my Amazon guy is the people itself. I love collaborating with different departments, and I love that we can approach each and everyone. You know, they will drop everything that they're doing just to help you out. So this is the best place that you can work because of the people. My Amazon guy has helped me to become a better leader, helped me to hone my leadership skills. In fact, this is the first ever company who has given me the opportunity to express or to develop my leadership skills, and I'm very excited for what happens or what's to come in the future.